Asking for help with heavy luggage. Excuse me, miss?
Yes, how can I help you?
This bag is very heavy.
Do you need a hand with it?
Yes, please. It is too much for me.
Sure, let me help you lift it.
Thank you. It is really heavy.
Where are you taking it?
I need to put it in the taxi.
Okay, let's go to the car.
Can you hold the door, please?
Yes, I will hold it open.
Be careful. It is very heavy.
Don't worry, I am strong.
Almost there. Just a few more steps.
Take your time, no rush.
Okay, we can put it down now.
Is this the right spot?
Yes, right here is fine.
Great, it is safe now.
I really appreciate your help.
It is no problem at all.
You are very kind.
Have a safe trip.
Inviting a friend over for a homemade dinner. Hi, how are you doing?
I am doing well, thanks. And you?
I am good. Are you busy this weekend?
No, I don't have any plans yet.
Would you like to come to my house?
That sounds nice. What for?
I want to cook dinner for you.
Really? You can cook?
Yes, I am making pasta.
I love pasta. It is my favorite.
Great. What time can you come?
Is 7 o'clock okay?
7 o'clock is perfect.
Do I need to bring anything?
No, just bring yourself.
Okay, should I bring some wine?
That would be lovely, thank you.
I will bring a red wine then.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I eat everything.
Good. I will make a salad too.
That sounds very healthy.
I am excited to see you.
Me too. It has been a long time.
Yes, we have a lot to talk about.
I will be there on time.
My address is still the same.
Okay, I remember where you live.
Do you need a ride?
No, I can drive my car.
Okay, see you on Saturday.
See you then. Bye.
Asking about the location of customer service desk. Excuse me, miss.
Yes, how can I help you?
I am looking for the customer service desk.
Oh, it is on the first floor.
Is it far from here?
No, it is just around the corner.
Can you tell me exactly where?
Yes, go straight and turn left.
Okay. Straight and then left.
Yes, you will see a big sign.
What color is the sign?
It is blue and white.
Thank you. Is it open now?
Yes, it is open until 9 p.m.
I need to return this shirt.
They can help you with returns there.
Do I need my receipt?
Yes, please bring your receipt.
I have it in my pocket.
That is good. They will ask for it.
Is there a long line, usually?
Not at this time of day.
That is great news.
You should be quick.
Can I pay by card there?
Yes, they accept cards and cash.
Okay, I am ready to go.
Do you need anything else?
No, that is all. Thanks.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Planning a birthday party celebration. It is John's birthday next week.
Really? We should plan a party.
Yes, I was thinking the same thing.
Where should we have the party?
We can have it at my house.
That sounds like a good idea.
How many people should we invite?
Let's invite all our friends.
Okay, I will make a guest list.
What food should we serve?
We can order pizza and snacks.
Don't forget the birthday cake.
I will buy a chocolate cake.
John loves chocolate very much.
Should we decorate the house?
Yes, we need balloons and banners.
I can go to the store after work.
I will help you with the decorations.
What time should the party start?
Let's start at 7 o'clock.
That gives everyone time to come.
Should we play any games?
Maybe we can play some music.
I can bring my speaker.
That would be great. Thanks.
Do we need to buy gifts?
We can all give him one gift.
Let's collect some money.
I will ask everyone for $10.
I will send the invitations.
Please make it a surprise party.
Don't worry, he won't know.
This is going to be fun.
I am really excited too.
Asking a server for a water or soda refill during a meal. Excuse me, miss?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Can I get a refill, please?
Sure, what would you like?
My glass is empty.
Would you like more water?
Actually, I want a soda this time.
What kind of soda do you want?
Do you have Sprite?
Yes, we have Sprite.
Is the refill free?
Yes, all refills are free.
That is very good.
Do you want ice in it?
Yes, please add ice.
Anything else for you?
Can I have a straw too?
Sure, I will bring one.
My food is very spicy.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that.
I really need a cold drink.
I will bring it right now.
Thank you for asking.
You are very welcome.
Asking about the next subway arrival time. Excuse me, do you know when the next train arrives?
I am not sure, but let me check the schedule board.
I am running a bit late for my meeting.
Don't worry, the subway comes very often here.
Is there a delay today?
No, it looks like the schedule is normal.
That is good to hear.
Look, the screen shows the next train in 2 minutes.
Oh, that is very soon.
Yes, you have plenty of time.
Which direction is this train going?
This one is going north to the city center.
Perfect. That is exactly where I need to go.
Great, it will be a quick ride.
How many stops are there to the main station?
It is about 5 stops from here.
Okay, I will get ready to board.
Please stand behind the yellow line.
Thank you for reminding me.
You are welcome. Safety is important.
Can I use my phone to pay?
Yes, you can tap your card or phone here.
I have my card ready.
Just tap it when you go through the gates.
Do you know if it is crowded now?
It is usually busy, but maybe less right now.
I hope I can find a seat.
You might be lucky at this time.
I can hear the train coming now.
Yes, it is approaching the platform.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Have a safe trip.
Discussing preventive health screenings with a physician. Hello, doctor. I have a question.
Hello? What is on your mind today?
I want to know about preventive screenings.
That is a very good idea.
How often should I get a checkup?
You should come once a year.
I am worried about my heart health.
We can check your blood pressure.
Is high blood pressure common?
Yes, it is common in men your age.
What tests do I need for my heart?
A blood test is very important.
Do I need to fast for the blood test?
Yes, do not eat after midnight.
What about cholesterol levels?
The blood test checks that too.
Should I get a cancer screening?
Yes, prevention is very important.
Which cancer screening do I need?
You should get a colonoscopy.
Does that test hurt?
No, you will be asleep.
When should I start this test?
Usually, men start at age 45.
Are there any other screenings?
We should check your eyes too.
My vision is okay, I think.
Still, an eye exam is good.
What about my skin?
You should check for unusual moles.
My father had diabetes. Should I worry?
We will check your blood sugar.
Can I get these tests today?
We can do the blood work now.
When will I get the results?
We will call you in 3 days.
If something is wrong, what happens?
We will make a plan to help you.
Okay, I feel better now.
Do you have any other questions?
No, that is all for today.
Great. Please make an appointment at the desk.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You are welcome. Take care.